Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another Mulberry Bayswater in the drop this week in putty, and I just think that's the perfect colour to describe this bag. It's a lovely warm neutral tone. It's a really beautiful colour actually, and it will go with absolutely everything. We've got a postman's lock closure at the front here. We've got double top handles, and then inside we've got a nice big open space with two flat pockets here and then a zipped compartment at the back there. It's lovely and spacious inside, as you can see. So that is the features. I'm going to talk to you about the condition. If you look at the bag like this, the leather is a gorgeous soft pebbled leather. The only thing with soft leather is over time it does slouch and become creased, like you can see with this bag. So we have called the exterior good just for that reason. You can tell it's been well used and it's pre-loved, and yes, so there is creasing in the leather. There is also at the top here, if I can find it, you can see from where the handles have been, there's some marks here, just where the handle has pressed on the leather, and there's some marks here, as you can see. So that is why we've called the exterior good, but other than that, you can see it still looks really nice. For a lighter colour of leather as well, it still looks really clean and nice. So that's the exterior. The hardware we've also called good, because you can see on the hardware there is scratching across there. Not much, to be honest. It still looks good, it's just there is a few marks across the postman's lock at the front there. And then also on the inner side as well, you can see it's not perfect, but the interior as well we've called good. If I hold this up, you can see that there is, you can see the marks on the flap closure, the underneath of the flap closure here. But then if we actually look inside the bag, there is a little mark there. There's a couple of tiny marks throughout the interior, but overall, again, considering that the interior of the bag is a light colour, I still think it looks really good. And then in here, that pocket still looks great as well. So that is the condition. So I'm going to show you what it comes with. So we've got, just close that. And we've got a nice big mulberry dust bag. We've got an MPN passport and an MPN. I think this is an invoice. Let me check. Yeah, an invoice as well. And then also your Mulberry product tag too. So I'm going to show you the size. If you want the exact measurements, then go to the link in the description. It should take you to this product on our website. That is also the link to shop. So go and check that out. If it doesn't take you straight to this product and it takes you to our general products page, unfortunately that means it's sold. But we have a request list which you can get on. You'll see it on our website. We have a request an item page. You will. If you fill in the little form there, then we'll put you onto our request list, and we'll let you know as soon as we get another one of these in. So yeah, give you one last look of the bag. I feel like this would be such a perfect work bag. It's a really good size. So yeah, and then what else was I going to tell you? Oh yeah, if you haven't already, then sign up to our newsletter, and if this is your first purchase, then you'll get a welcome discount. To get more discounts in the future, we have a scheme called Armcandy Rewards, which you can join. it's basic, you can earn candies and then you can exchange them for more discounts and prizes whether you're buying or selling with us, so definitely join that. And then lastly, if you've got any bags that you like to sell, then head to our sell with us page, have a little read through that, it's super easy if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with us, and then that's everything. So we'll see you soon with some more Armcandy.